That little phrase is the key that unlocks this whole first part of the puzzle. It really comes down to that legal idea we mentioned before, jurisdiction. In other words, did a court in Delhi even have the right to hear a case about things that happened in a totally different country? You can think of jurisdiction as being about power and place. Does this one court in Delhi have the authority to make a legal decision about events that took place in, say, London? Now, the lower courts had already said no, but the high court, they decided to look way, way closer at the actual text of the law. And this is what they found. Section 27 of the law says a case can be filed where the person aggrieved permanently or temporarily resides. Those two words, temporarily resides, that little phrase, is the key that unlocks this whole first part of the puzzle. The court basically just connected the dots. Hema had left the UK, she was living with her parents in Delhi at the very moment she filed her case. So by definition, she was temporarily residing there. See, it didn't matter that her marital home was in the UK or that the violence allegedly happened there. What mattered was where she was now. And just like that, problem number one was solved. The High Court's ruling was crystal clear. Because the survivor's current location is what matters, the Delhi court did have jurisdiction, so the case against her husband was officially back on the table.